Okay, so let's start this inaugural event. So, good evening, everybody. I'm Ashwin Bharat, chapter leader of the Code Academy Jain University JU chapter. So, this will be our today's agenda. So, first of all, let us introduce each other, get to know about the community that we are building. Okay, so after that, we will get a little bit serious about what are the chapter goals over here, what are the events we are going to conduct in the future, and we'll discuss about it. And let's share our thoughts at the very end and some ideas about what you are expecting from the chapter and so on. Okay, so let's begin with my introduction. So I am the chapter leader of various local chapters such as Code Academy, Code Focus, and Coding Blocks. And other than that, in my technical background, I am a full stack web developer, and I'm also good with Python, and I write blog posts in Medium and in Hackernoon and in their website. So that's about me. So let's start with our your introductions. Okay. So anyone would like to volunteer from the audience?
Ashwin, can I go first?
Yeah, sure. Just
Yeah. Okay. Hi, everyone. Good evening. My name is Jocelyn. I'm so sorry I can't turn on my camera right now. I have my monitor plugged in. So, good evening, everyone. I am one of the chapter leaders. So, I am the chapter lead for Kolkata chapter. And since Jain University is in Bangalore, I am also a Bangalorean. Basically, I've been there for the last 2.5 years studying my BSc. So I am from Mount Carmel College. Maybe some of you know it. So basically, our goals for these chapters are for our community to learn and grow, irrespective of the city, irrespective of the country, and that's what Code Academy here is doing for us. So by facilitating these small communities, they are enabling us to, help each other basically in our technical journeys, whether you're from a tech background or not, whether you studied coding in school or not. Irrespective of all that, this community basically comes together to learn a lot from each other. So whoever has decided to join us today, kudos to you. You're already, doing so much for your self-development right away. Maybe you're in your first year, second year, it doesn't matter. But the thought of being in a community like this is already a really good start. And to talk about my professional background, I'm about to graduate. As we all know, exams are cancelled or postponed or whatever is going on. So I'll be pursuing my master's in data science really soon. So yeah, whenever Ashwin is gonna hold any kind of data science sessions, or if any of you need any tips and tricks in that, you can always reach out to Ashwin. Ashwin can put it across to me, and I can get you some help in that domain. Yeah, that's basically about me. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.
thank you, Jaslyn.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, so Jaslyn is another chapter leader in Code Academy network, and we'll be also inviting her as a guest, in the future events for topics like machine learning and data science. So happy to have Jaslyn over here. And who else would like to introduce themselves?
I would like to.
Yeah.
So I'm Thamsut Rahman. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm a 10th grader and an amateur designer and someone who wants to get into computer science in the future. And I also want to be a content creator at YouTube. And I'm a new chapter leader for Dhaka, Bangladesh at Code Academy. I'm looking forward to learn a lot.
Thank you, Thamsut. Okay. Okay, Sayanthani has a mic problem, no problem. So, Sayanthani over here is the chapter leader of Siliguri. Okay, she's a Python and cybersecurity enthusiast. So happy to have here, Sayanthani. And yeah, who is ready to give us their next introduction?
May I?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, my name is Pari. I'm from Jaipur and I'm a learner from Code Academy, and I am doing web developing by Code Academy, and that's all about me.
Okay, good, sure. Uh, Happy to have you, Pari. So we are also planning a web development event in the future. So I think you'll be excited about it. Okay. Then yeah, Sarvesh, Vaishnav, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Sarvesh. I'm from Jain University. Currently, me and Ashwin both are from same department. Actually, we both are pursuing BTech in software engineering, and I'm a full stack web developer. And also, even I'm also good in the Python, and I'm ambassador at Coding Ninjas, and also ambassador at Virzo company. Yeah, that's all about myself.
Yeah. Thank you, Sarvesh. Good to have you here. So yeah, Sarvesh and Vaishnav both are my classmates, and I'm happy to have them here. So Vaishnav, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Vaishnav Raj. I'm from Jain University. I'm Ashwin's class, one of my classmates, and I'm doing some courses in blockchain technology, and I'm good with Python. So that's it.
Thank you, Vaishnav, and happy to have you here. Uh, so Venkat, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello. Thank you, Ashwin.
Yeah.
Good evening, all. I'm one of the present here. I'm a fellow student of Ashwin, my classmate Ashwin, and I'm studying software engineering with Jain University. And as I said, Vaishnav, I'm also doing a blockchain and learning about some artificial intelligence and neural technology also as well. As of now, it's enough, I think so. Thank you, Ashwin.
Thank you, Venkat. So okay, think everyone has introduced themselves. Thank you, guys, and let's proceed with our agenda today. So after introductions, let's discuss about the goals of our chapter. So here are the some of the goals for our chapter. Okay, so we are going to plan new technical events where we can learn new technologies like web development. We have machine learning, we have data science. We can learn languages like Python, Java, C++, even JavaScript. And we are also planning events such as building projects along with tutorials, where we can have hands-on experience on the technology, as well as have a takeaway project. And we will also plan career roadmaps, like what it takes to become a web developer, right, from start to finish. What are all the technologies, what are all the tools, and after learning a skill, what are all the uh, you know uh, set of subjects or concepts that we need to learn for the interview. For example, most of the software engineering interviews will expect you to learn data structures and algorithms, and they will ask coding questions around it, which is a very important concept. After that, uh, you will get asked about some computer science concepts too, like computer networks and operating systems and database management systems and object oriented programming. It's good to know any one language where to code in such a way that you can create objects and classes and functions with it. And so we'll be having all those events, and new ideas are always welcome here. We expect any type of suggestion from our audience too. And We'll also have guest lectures in our chapter events. Okay, so for example, we have a lot of chapter leaders in our meeting itself. So based on each and every specialty, let's say for web development, for Python, and for data science and machine learning, we have Jaslin over here. We have Anmol Jain. He's a another chapter leader from our Code Academy network, and we'll also try to invite these Code Academy curriculum developers. If we have enough audience, we can even invite them to have some guest lectures over here. So that's about it. And we all know this is a tough time we are going through due to Corona and pandemic. We have trying to adapt and adapting over the internet age. So this has become the new normal for all of us. So I hope you are all safe, and let's adapt and learn along with everyone else. Okay, so our other motives are also to connect with each other. Not just learn a technology and just like that move on. We'll also connect with each other, and we'll collaborate over projects about any ideas, hackathons. Get to know each other so that you can help out each other in the future. You can build your network over here in a really good manner. So we all know these times have changed, but we still have this opportunity to connect with everyone online. And so yeah, that's it about a short inaugural event. And any questions, any queries, any suggestions, let's have it over here right now. You can follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn, and this is my mail ID. Okay. Any comments? Anybody?
I guess all of us could share one skill that we want to learn from this community. So I'll start with myself. I want to learn web development in a really, really comprehensive way. That's what I want to learn.
Okay.
Maybe Tamzid, you can go next.
I really want to participate in hackathons. They sound really cool.
That's nice. How about Savesh?
Sarvesh, any technology, any skill you want to learn from our chapter?
Can we organize?
Yeah, I want to learn about more about React.
Sure.
Redux. I want to learn in-depth concepts about that.
Sure.
Yeah.
We are actually planning an event for the next month. It will be a 1-week event based on HTML, CSS, all the front-end technologies, including React. So I hope you will be there. It will be really interesting. It's a collaboration event with all other chapter leaders. We'll definitely have that. Yeah. Others, any new skill you would like to learn?
I'm looking for web development and CSS.
Sure. The upcoming events will be definitely based on web development, and I hope you will enjoy it as well. So I will just drop the community group over the chat. You can join there for quick updates of our future events. And yeah, okay, Sayanthani would like to learn DSA and improve your competitive coding skills. That's good, really good. And DSA is a very important concept for everyone. Actually, it's a must for every developer, because in the interviews they will ask problem solving questions over the data structures and algorithms we have. For example, we have stacks, queues, linked list, graph, and these are all the data structures, and we have certain algorithms on searching and sorting, yeah. Sure, we'll have guest lectures for that topic. Sure. Anyone else? Venkat and Vaishnav. Yes, Venkat.
Hello.
Yeah, Venkat, you go first.
Ashwin?
Yeah.
Thank you. Actually, I'm new to the community, Ashwin. This is my first meeting with you on your team. Can I have some more clarification, some brief description what actually you and your team are doing and what your types of upcoming events are organizing? So I need to know kind of find some informations.
Okay, so this is our inaugural event. Okay, this is also our first event. So in the near future, we are planning to conduct a web development series. Okay, 1 week series. From I think June 1 to 7. It's just temporary right now. And after that, we'll also try to forward, other events from other chapters as well. Whomever we can get in contact with you, we'll share that in our community in this WhatsApp group. So I think you will get in that. Yeah. Vaishnav.
Hello, Ashwin.
Yeah.
I want to learn more about the DevOps practices. DevOps.
Can you come again?
Hello.
Yeah.
I want to learn about the DevOps practices, development operations.
Okay, DevOps. Okay, sure. That's also another trending skill right now. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Let's have a snapshot right now. So those who are ready to turn on their camera, let's have a quick pic and share it in the social media.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So yeah, let's say cheese. Come on, Vaishnav. Let's give us a proper smile. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys. Thank you for being here. So it's happy to know about all of your interests and participation in this community. So we'll definitely have monthly, at least one event every month, and I will make sure that we'll have guest lectures and we'll grow this community even bigger. Okay, so
I have an idea. Can we organize a hackathon?
Sure, Tamzir.
At the end of this month for 2 days, and then we can invite a guest as a judge.
Sure, we can work on that. That's a good idea, actually. Yeah. Anything else? Any questions and comments would you like to share? And before you leave, so I'll share the chapter page over here in the chat. Okay, you can follow this chapter so that you will get the email notifications for our future events. So this is the chapter page over here. Okay, and any new upcoming events will be displayed over here. You can go through this. We will also have more and more events coming up, yeah.
Thank you for this wonderful event, Ashwin.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got to meet more people today.
Yeah, me too, Jocelyn. Thank you for all of you to be present over here, and yeah, I think it's a really good start for our chapter, and I hope to see you all in the next event as well. Okay, so take care, everybody. Bye bye. Let's end this over here.
Thanks, Ashwin.
Thank you,
Take care,
Ashwin.
everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
Ashwin. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Pari. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
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 you,
you,
Venkat.
Doc.
Thank you, Sarvesh.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Vishnu.